Hi everyone, I joined JJ Academy back in October. So I got to know about JJ Academy when I was searching for coaching related to IELTS. I was not sure or confident that I would be able to crack IELTS on my own by self-studying. So I started Googling the different centers that's available for IELTS tutoring. Then I came to know that there is a center called JJ Academy quite close to my house. It's only 15 minutes away. So I thought I would better enroll here, and I got curious to join here because after reading a lot of reviews online, like everyone who took up IELTS coaching here had given very good reviews about JJ Academy and Amrita ma'am, who is the tutor for IELTS. So I joined here back in October, and I've had the best learning process over here. Ma'am guided me right from the beginning until the very end. I was lacking a lot in every section, like reading and writing were the most difficult one for me, but I ended up scoring the highest in writing, which was the weakest section for me compared to every other section. I scored a 7.5 in writing, and I was able to do that only because of ma'am. I remember how ma'am would regularly send me a lot of study materials, essay books, PDFs, everything to keep me updated with my process. And also, the most amazing thing is, like, whenever I write an essay, ma'am would check out each and every line. She would note down my mistakes right on my paper. She'll show me what needs to be corrected and where I lack. So that made me like improve a lot in my writing. And I remember she used to provide me with a lot of templates and a lot of study materials, and that's what made me score a 7.5 in writing, which is very well required for my higher studies abroad, because we actually have to get a 6 in writing, and obviously getting a 6 in writing is not as easy as we think. So but I'm really happy that I was able to get a 7.5, which I consider is a very high score when it comes to IELTS. And also I was able to get a score of more than 6.5 in every other section. I got a 7 in reading, listening and speaking. So my overall score is 7, and I feel really grateful that I joined here, because I feel this institution has the best coaching ever, and it is a face-to-face interactive section. So, ma'am spends our entire time with us, so that is what made us easily interact with her, not feel hesitated to ask any sort of doubts which needs to be cleared. So the entire process of learning and the regular mock test that was conducted, and all the mock tests were prepared by ma'am. All of that had the difficulty level same as the real IELTS test, because I remember when I saw my reading question paper, I felt it was as difficult as the mock test we wrote. So I was definitely not that confident if I would be able to score more than a 6, but I ended up scoring a 7 in reading. So I feel really thankful to ma'am for her tutoring and everything. A very big thanks to JJ Academy and Amrita ma'am.